welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a target audience for your business on Instagram. So let's dive into Instagram. If you are coming to this YouTube channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be using my business WhatsApp, my business Instagram as an example. This is my business account, so you should know that this thing is live and real. So I'm going to use one of my posts. Let me say I want to post an advert. Let me see which one can I use. Okay, let me post this one. So I'm into web design. If you need a website, you can contact or just say I need a website for my business in the comment section. I'm going to attend to you. So now you want to run an advert with this post. So your goal, if you want your customer to visit your profile, you can click on this. If you have a website, you want them to visit your website, you want to have visitors on your website, or you have online store, you want them to come there, you can click on the other one. But now my goal for this advert is for them to message me. Actually, I'm not running advert, I'm just showing you how you can create a target audience for your business. So now I will click on next. So I select where did I want them to message me. I want them to message me on my WhatsApp, because I want to have their contact. I don't just want them to message me on Instagram. So whosoever that is interested in this advert, in this service, is going to message me, is going to contact me on WhatsApp. So I will just click on next. Now this is where we have to set our audience. So now I set audience. I'm just all this one are testing for one of my clients. So now I will click on create your own. So I'm going to create my own. I'm going to give them name. Let me say web design. So I will select location. Let me say I want to target Lagos State. I will just be targeting some area in Lagos. Or let me just target Lagos State. Ogun State. Let me target. Let me say like Enugu State. Let me target. So this is how you can set your audience. You just target the area. I'm targeting some of the high top cities in Nigeria where I know that yes, I can get clients. Because anybody that need a web design should not be from a local area. Only you not get customer from them. So I've done it before and it doesn't work for me. So I have to target a big city that I know that yes, they will really need my business. So I can target Oyo State, Ibadan. I can target Ibadan also. So I will just put it Ibadan. So let's say we are okay with our audience. You click on this mark icon, then you come to this interest. So who are the people that will be interested in your business? So our business owners will be interested. Small business will be interested. So you see small business. Instagram will now be bringing more, so you can see them now. Home business, online retail. So you can be selecting them. You can be selecting them. Instagram, you see clothing, you see shop, you see all of them now. Instagram is bringing them. That's one of the things, one of the updates I love about the Instagram now. So if your advert is not showing this, make sure you go and update your Instagram. Make sure you update your Instagram so that the moment you pull one of the audience that you want, they are going to give you the remaining one. And this will make your targeting to be fast. Whenever you are setting, you can see they are bringing them. Even menu that I didn't have in mind, Instagram is bringing them for me. You can see them now. Bride, wedding, parenthood, jewelries. Okay. So Instagram will be bringing people that they know that yes, they need website. Yes, photography people need website. Let me search for furniture. I think they didn't bring furniture here. Furniture people also need online store. So you see now, I will search for furniture. I will search for real estate. Real estate people that need website. That need website. I will search for NGO. NGO is here. You can search for clubs. No, not nightclub. Sorry. You can search for company. You can search for agriculture or poultry, something like that. People that are interested in poultry, they need a website. So poultry farming, people that are interested in the let me find another one I put, fashion accessory, they also be interested. So you can see them now, they'll be interested. Import and export, people that import, you can see them now. So you just be selecting all of them and be putting them like this. So by watching this video, you don't need to hire anybody to set audience for your business. You can easily set it by yourself. So on this channel, I will be showing you how you can set up your business on Google, on Instagram, on Facebook, on other channel, and how you can target the right people that will be interested in your business. So let's say I'm okay, you are done with your audience. You just mark it. This is our audience. Now another thing that is very important is for you to on this target expansion and select the age of your audience. So I know small children may not need website, so we can target at least maybe from 25 or 30 to like 55. I think this is okay. These are people that are still very young that can do business. So these are okay, depending on the type of business you are doing. Now, if the type of business you are doing, let's say somebody that is selling fashion hair, now you are dealing with hair. So those hair now, it is only women that will buy it. So you are going to select women instead of male and female. You are going to select female. Then once you are done, you click on mark, you mark it, and you mark it. So we have successfully set audience for our advert. So now we can see now, this is the name of the audience that I have now. Where is it? This is it, web design. I just give it a name. This is it now. So you can set different audience. You can set audience for any type of product you want to advertise. You can set audience for them and save it on your Instagram, so that anytime you come to your Instagram, you are going to see it on your Instagram and you can use it. So when I click next, the other thing that you are going to do is to make payment. So I'm going to make another video on how you can make payment in Naira. If you are watching in Nigeria, how you can make payment in Naira in Nigeria. You can see my payment is showing in Naira. How can you do it? How you can use your Nigeria bank card to make payment? You know you need a short video. Make sure you drop your comment in the comment section that I need a video like this, and I'm going to attend to it. So let me go back again to show you that my audience I've already saved. So I will click on this stuff back. I'll click on boost again to show you that my audience, when you set an audience on your WhatsApp or your Instagram, is going to save. So now you can see now we have it on our Instagram now. So this is how to set up audience on your Instagram. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Once you subscribe and like this video and share it to your friends, you will help this video to go more viral to other people like you that may need this video. Thank you.